Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually posting a hair tutorial for you guys, and it's on how I do my passion twists. I've been wanting to do this for a while after I post two other videos on passion twists, which is actually going to be in the description. So I won't drag on this intro too long. I just wanted to put an intro in for you guys. So let's get on to the video. So I'm taking my crochet needle and putting it through the root of my hair, and after it's all the way through, I take my single strand of hair and then put it on the loop of the crochet needle, close the needle, and then pull my hair through. And then I take one end of the hair and then I pull it out. So I have two strands on either side of my hair or the rubber band. And then after that, I tighten it with my hands. Of course, I tighten the roots of my hair to stretch it out like I'm doing right now. And then I take some Eco Styler gel and then put that down my hair to help smooth it and hold the style. And then as I'm doing that, I'm just twisting it all the way down. And that's basically what I'm doing on each strand of my hair. It's a super simple style. It just takes a long time. So, if you guys ever want to do this, go and try it. I want to talk a little bit more about the hair that I have. It's by the brand Toyo Tress. And, I bought this package. I got this hair before and I liked it, so I wanted to get it again in a different color. I got it in the hair color T27 in 18 inches, and it comes with 6 packs in it. And it's just like blonde highlights, so I wanted to change it up and try on blonde. So it comes with this. On the back it says, "Thanks for your appreciation and order from Toyo Tress. So glad you have received the hair package we sent from thousands of miles away. How do you like the hair? If satisfied, please leave us positive reviews. If not, please feel free to contact us. If you give us a chance, we will try our best to meet your satisfaction." So that is cute. And I like the brand overall. They did contact me saying that they saw my last video and everything, so I appreciate that. If you guys are watching this one, I appreciate that you guys are watching this video as well. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, this is my hair fully done. It basically took me all day to do, but that's okay. That's why you need a day off to do your hair, prepping for your hair, washing it, deep conditioning it, blow drying it, and then just making your parts. I think that took me about an hour. Maybe like if you're really good, it could take you less than that, but I think it took me over an hour to do. But then putting in the twist, that took me about 2 hours. So yeah, This is my hair fully done. This is my first time seeing blonde on my hair, like looking in the mirror. I like it. And shout out to Toyo Tress with this hair, because you know I'm feeling myself and I need this, you know? And it's a good protective style, you know, especially going from like straight hair. So to get my hair breaks, put it in some twists. Hopefully I could stretch this out for a month. I did it last time, I just had to refresh it, but I know some people, they don't like to, you know, refresh their hair, take too much energy or whatever, but I don't care. I would just like, you know, take it out, put some like leave-in conditioner in it and just retwist it. It'll take out the frizz, because it does get frizzy in like a couple days. So yeah, but if you take really good care of it, like pristine, like you could get a week's worth of it and it won't get frizzy, you know what I mean? Yeah. But right now I want to do my baby hairs, so I'm gonna take my edge control right here and my toothbrush for my baby hairs. Boom. Okay. So obviously, I don't know. For me, I like to put the edge control on my edges first and then, you know, style it. So, let's do that. And on my edges, take my edges out. And there we go. Okay, where's our hair tie? I need to put this hair back. Okay. Alright, just letting you guys know that I'm not the best with styling my edges, so just bear with me, you know? I don't think I'll do like an edge, styling your edges video, because I'm not the best. I just try to follow what I see. I'm trying to get better. And I hold that for about 10 seconds. And I go on to the other one. I feel like some girls that have really nice, well, I shouldn't say nice, but like don't have like coarse hair, it's a lot easier for them to have like really good edges, you know? It doesn't take that much work to do your edges. But, you know, I know that people, you know what I'm talking about. If it's you, if you have coarse hair, you know, doing your edges is frustrating, you know? Sometimes they do not want to stay. Even when you lock it down with your scarf and everything and it still doesn't want to stay, just like, why? You know what I mean? So yeah. I don't know. I have this ongoing battle with my edges. So, especially with this side, my guy. Especially. Let me just. Okay. You are gonna stay for me. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the other side. See, I don't know. You guys have any tips on styling edges? Let me know. Cause I don't got no goddamn clue. Okay. And the ones down here. Let's do it here. Alright. Oh, good thing. Back here. Take my silk scarf, or my do-rag, like my boyfriend likes to call it, and put this on my edges and lock it down in place, you know? I don't know who just be doing the edges and just not be locking them down. How they gonna stay? You know what I mean? Okay. You know, the one thing I need to get for this hair is like some holding mousse. Yeah, I need to get mousse for this hair because that's what I see a lot of people on YouTube doing. Tutorials on YouTube where they put the mousse in your hair to make it stay. But your girl don't have that, so I have like this really mini spray that's kind of a little crappy that I got from TJ Maxx. It's a 6-hold color lock spray. Alright. Shake it up a bit. Oh, it doesn't really spray. You know what? Just gonna take the product, put it in my hair because this spray ain't working. Take the product in my hair. Okay. Ooh. I don't think they have. Maybe they did. It comes with rubber bands and jewelry. I knew I had jewelry, but I didn't remember my other package having rubber bands. So this is really good. Hope I could have used that, but the rubber bands that I used, I got from Sally's, and they're the super strength rubber bands. So, you know, they say they will not break. So that's what I need, because the last time, not the last time, the first time I did my hair, it snapped. Almost all of them snapped, so I'm not trying to have that happen this time. You know what I mean? I'm trying to make it last. Okay? Okay. But I'm gonna let my edges do what it do, and you know, I'm gonna come back for my outro. So I didn't film an outro for this video, so I'm filming one right now for you guys. But the hair lasted me about, you know, a week. It lasted me a week. I didn't want to have it in for too long, but if you did, you could definitely, you know, touch it up and wear it for longer. That's for sure. But thank you, Toyo Tress, for the hair again. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, you know, like this video. Subscribe down below because my subscribe button is right there, and I'm trying to get up there. So if you guys want to see more of my videos, more content, getting better by each video. Trust, I'm trying. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.